What's up, everybody? Welcome back. Welcome to my channel. Today I got this metal. It's a 2X 6J 50 millimeter brass body shutter lock. It's a dimple, 6 pins. Here's what the key looks like. It is key retaining. Going to use this little angled Z-bar out of a set of cheap Chinese tensioners I got off eBay. And then this is the G Pro 04 flag from Multi-Pick. So I'm going to use pretty heavy tension because this thing, I think it just has sloppy tolerances. It's not easy to feel what's going on in there. There was a little click on 3 as I went past it. And there was a click on 5 and 6. Click on 4, 2, 1. There's another click on 6 there. Got a little tiny, I felt a little tiny movement on the core. Number 2 is binding. He's kind of mushed up in there. I might have overset something because I did not get a click, but like I said, this lock doesn't give you much feedback. Everything feels just kind of sloppy. I am not really surprised. It was a pretty cheap lock. So I wasn't expecting super high quality for 15 bucks or whatever it was. You know, nah, it was pretty cheap. So now I'm just not feeling anything at all. Trying to make, I know 6 is really high lift, so I'm trying to make sure, trying to feel back there to see if 6 is all the way down, but I think it is. let something fall there. I loosened up a little bit on the tension. Heard something pop back out. I'm just not feeling it, whatever it is. I did it again. I heard something else fall. All right, that was 2 again. I got a click there that time. So maybe it wasn't set. There's 5 and 6 again, and it's open. There you go. I can't gut it. I'm sure there's probably a pin in there somewhere or something that is locking that core in place and then machined over or something. But there you go. I do like the logo. I think that's pretty cool. Neat little lock for my collection, even though doesn't have, like I said, kind of sloppy tolerances and stuff like that. It's I think it's still a pretty cool little lock. Thanks for watching.